Have you ever found yourself asking, what exactly is Bitcoin? It's a question many people ponder, especially with all the buzz surrounding it. You've likely encountered captivating stories of its massive price fluctuations, or perhaps heard the intriguing term mining associated with it. Today, we're going to demystify Bitcoin, breaking down its complexities into language that's easy for anyone to understand. Let's embark on this journey to explore the world of digital currency together, starting right from its fascinating origins. Bitcoin was first introduced to the world in 2008 by an anonymous entity known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. This groundbreaking invention emerged during a period of significant global financial instability, a time when trust in traditional banking systems was wavering. The core idea behind Bitcoin was to create a truly independent currency, free from the control of any single government or central bank. Instead, its operation would be managed directly by its users, fostering a decentralized and peer-to-peer financial system. At its heart, Bitcoin is a purely digital currency, meaning it exists exclusively in the online realm. Think of it like email for your money. You can send and receive value across the internet without needing physical cash. It's crucial to understand that Bitcoin isn't a company, nor will you ever hold a physical coin in your hand. Instead, it's a decentralized network and a digital asset designed for secure and transparent transactions. The underlying technology that powers Bitcoin is called blockchain, a revolutionary system that acts as a worldwide public ledger. Every single Bitcoin transaction, from its inception, is meticulously recorded and stored on this blockchain. This means that once a transaction is added, it becomes an immutable part of the record. No one can alter or erase it. This transparency and security are fundamental to Bitcoin's integrity and its appeal as a digital currency. So, why has Bitcoin captured the attention of millions and gained such significant value? One major reason is its scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created, making it a finite resource. This limited supply, much like precious metals, contributes to its perceived and actual value. Furthermore, Bitcoin allows you to send money anywhere in the world at any time, without the need for traditional banks. This global accessibility and efficiency offer a powerful alternative to conventional financial systems. Anyone, regardless of their location or banking status, can participate in the Bitcoin network. This inclusivity is a cornerstone of its design, empowering individuals worldwide. So, how do you actually acquire and utilize Bitcoin in your daily life? The most common way to get Bitcoin is by purchasing it on digital exchanges, which are online platforms dedicated to cryptocurrency trading. Once acquired, you store your Bitcoin in a digital wallet, which is essentially an app or software that securely holds your digital assets. From there, you can use it to make online payments, send money to friends and family, or simply hold on to it as a long-term investment. The flexibility of Bitcoin allows for diverse financial strategies, from everyday transactions to future-oriented savings. Let's address some common misconceptions and clarify the reality of Bitcoin. Myth number 1, Bitcoin is totally anonymous. In reality, while identities are hidden, every transaction is publicly recorded on the blockchain. Myth number 2, Bitcoin is primarily for illicit activities. The truth is, most users treat it like any other form of money or investment. Myth number 3, it's too late to learn about Bitcoin. Absolutely not. It's never too late to educate yourself and explore this evolving technology. Bitcoin represents a revolutionary form of digital money, open to everyone and powered by its global community of users. To dive deeper into the world of crypto or to begin your own journey, be sure to check out the helpful links provided in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and share your questions in the comments section.